What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to put to the test waterproof socks. Check out all these little things that they can be used for. A lot of people complain about it. One time I have put to the test socks like that 7 years ago, that it would feel like you're wearing 2 plastic bags. But they were very wrong, because yes, if you will be hiking in it all day, it probably will create a lot of heat capture, but it will not feel like wearing 2 plastic bags. This time I'm gonna take him inside out. As you can see, it's not a plastic bag. It's also on this side feels like a material. So yes, it will probably make you hotter in this kind of socks, but think of all these uses you could be using for, in case you are going to get wet, like hiking and stuff like that. That could be useful. Also, it's for water park. If you want to wear socks in a swimming pool, you could be wearing those instead of flip-flops, I guess. I don't know. So I would say again, decide for yourself. If your feet sweat easily, it's probably not for you. If you don't have a sweaty feet problem, could be pretty useful. Wow, they tight. And you know it's cool, the other thing, they not feel like plastic bag, they're stretchy, and there's a little bit of space there, but wow, this is cool. They look beautiful too. Pretty easy to put it on as well. Does create a little bit of a air pocket. That's funny, but anyways, feels super tight and stretchy, feels super comfortable. Feels like they're a little bit better the ones that I put to the test years ago. First of all, let's say you're camping, you wake up, you don't want to put shoes on, all this grass is wet from the rain or from the dew, and guess what, I'm not feeling anything. I don't have to worry about bugs, and I don't have to worry about putting the shoes around the camp. So first of all, camp approved. Also, there's a little stream right here going on. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna step into it, see what I feel like. It is gonna be mountain, very cold, what do you call it, stream. And guess what, I'm not even feeling the cold stream. It's kind of keeps the cold away from it, and they kind of mud repellent almost, and water repellent. The actual fabric, as you can see, it is repellent. Wow, no way. Okay, the mud did get to it on the first layer of fabric a little bit, but look at that, it's washed off. You see all that mud I'm putting on my sock? Let's see if it's easy to wash them off in a stream as well. So yeah, don't have to worry about mud because it's kind of repelling it. Don't have to worry about stream. So I think this is perfect for going to the beach on a hot sand, protect you, walking around the camp. Let's say you're in the forest. This is beautiful. Clean socks, no water in here. This dirty feet, because I've been playing over here in the forest for a little bit, making videos from the other socks. So yeah, because I wasn't wearing waterproof socks, the dirt got into it anyways. So yeah, pretty awesome, super clean. Check this out. Love these socks. I got here heat power LED lantern. Check this out. Inside right here, there's like a little tea light and oil inside here. You can use any kind of one of those tea lights, candles. And right here you got LED light that spins up and down. And inside of it, a little generator that makes energy out of heat. That's pretty cool. So this is how it works. You take this out, pull this out. There's a little candle. Light it up. Cool. And then whenever you're gonna put it back in, push it all the way in and twist it. And now it's not going to come off. There you go. So these legs are gonna just twist like that. Right now there's not enough heat for the light to light up. So there's a backside here, just got all broken up. Let's see how long it takes till the light is going to generate. It says up to 8-hour light from one luminescer lamp oil unit. So from that candle you have 8 hours. So wow, it's already turned on automatically. So this is on, this is off, and there is two right here. And whoa, there is a light over here as well, the two from both sides. And you got a little bit light in here. Obviously in the full darkness this candle actually giving off a lot of light. Look at that. This is dark side, you cannot see my face. Now it's like illuminating it quite heavily. And then look at that. Turn on the flashlight, look how bright that is. And let's see what happens if I blow it off. The flame coming on from here. Wow, it stayed charged for how long? I have no idea. Still works the other flashlight. That is so cool. And these LED lights are not so bright. So you want a brighter flashlight. Oh, it's not working anymore. So you want to have your candle burning for the light to work. This is definitely my favorite. I can't believe I've never seen this thing before. I got this in fan mail. So let's see what's inside. Yeah, shovel, axe, whole bunch of tools in here. Okay, first of all, we got right here the shovel, and looks like it spins up this way, the other way. And wow, there's a saw, and there's an axe on this side. You can dig it like that, or if you unspin it, you can use it as a pickaxe, just like this. You see what I'm saying? Super easy. Okay, what else here? Empty, a sharp tip end for like a window breaker or other things. Fire starter, whistle. Whoa, look at that, spear. Not sharp, so you would have to sharpen it up. So you can build a little spear out of all of the sticks. Pretty cool. And also the same way you can plug in a knife. But what I'm mostly interested about is how does this shovel and the axe will work. Will it unspin itself every time I try to hit something? Let's test it out. Wow, this is a heavy handle. I really love the design of the wolf. You know, I have a couple wolves, not just Malamute and Huskies. They look like ones, just not as big. Let's see. This axe a little bit going to the side. As long as you hit it this way down, looks like it's not unspinning. Pretty awesome, heavy axe side here. I was be able to chop this up. Now let's say I want to make it sharp on each end. So I think if I would be hitting it with left hand like this, let's see, you see it would be unspinning. So you want to kind of working it either super down, either this way down or to this side. So if anything, it making it twist harder, not unspinning it. And let me show you what I'm talking about. You see, if I try to hit it this way, it unspins it. One more time. So you really have to kind of chop either down this way or to the side this way. So that way it doesn't unspin. So pretty cool axe right here. Fire starter and a knife, obviously nice. But mostly I want to know, can I actually cut it like I saw? Yeah, I'd rather get myself a folding saw because I'm going to be sitting here all day trying to cut it like this. It is a good quality saw, sharp. It just, I don't know, not good enough in my opinion. Get yourself a folding saw. But what about this axe on this shovel? Oh wow, it's kinda unspinned it. Let's make sure we make it tight. I know why it's going loose. Oh, there you go, it's unspinned all the way, okay. I don't know why it's not solid piece. That way wouldn't have this problem. Every time I try to heat it, this thing does not get unspinned. I know about heating this thing because now this whole mechanism kind of messed up. It's not supposed to unspin, but it's unspinning. So I wouldn't heat it for sure like an axe, even though it's intended like an axe, but you see now it just unspins it. But rather than that would have been an awesome tool. Like right here, this all this dirt, this thing's supposed to be going this way, but it's going the other way completely. And you see there is a log. Maybe I could have taken it out of the way with an axe or something, but there you go. Very, very useful tool. There you go, unclog it, get my stream, not flood my backyard. There you go. Once in a while I'll still have to come out and do this, so all this does not get flooded out here and goes into the trench. So cool tool, but as you can see it already broke. Looks like one of those bushcraft camping knife, really thick blade. I really like it, durable. But what's so special about it, you already see, you got right here 6 LED lights. What's on this side? Oh, this is just like on and off. So usually you have to take out a piece of paper, and all it takes is one of these, what is it, AAA batteries. Pretty awesome. So in case you want to work at nighttime, you can still see stuff. Turn on the flashlight, chop the food. Pure darkness, you got right here knife flashlight, and you can see the actual blade in it as well. Let's say you need to cut up a rope and build something, or obviously you can even cut the food and stuff, and you can actually see the blade illuminating. Camera does not give it justice, but there you go, super sharp blade. This is paracord 550, easy, love it. And you can use it as a flashlight too. Pretty awesome, right? I'm in the basement. Eco fire starters with the easy light wicks. Check this out, this is what makes them unique. I never seen easy light wicks. It looks like candles, but the whole thing will get on fire, and it says it will burn up to 20 minutes. Anyways, I got a little bit of wood over here. Let's start the fire. Okay, I'm going to use waterproof matches. Just looks like it's the easiest. Grab it and light up the wick like that. Feels like it's some kind of saturated wax or something, like a candle. Pretty awesome. And what I want to see before I'm gonna put a bunch of stick on it, will this whole thing set on fire by itself, or do I need to hold it upside down or stuff like this? You know what I mean, to get it going. I'm just gonna set it like that, because if it does get itself on fire, the whole thing, without going out, that would be amazing. That's gonna be one of a kind wick for sure. So let's just wait and come back to it in a minute. But obviously it's going to burn for 20 minutes. I don't see why not. It's a really big fire starter piece, and I love it that you can grab it and carry it around if you don't like the first spot you put it in. Okay, 30 seconds later, check this out, that the whole thing is on fire. So that's what I was worried about. Will it work from the wick? And as you can see, no problem. Just going to get the fire going, bonfire in this case. But you know what, we had lots of rain, it's a little bit wet. I don't need any kind of paper, I don't need any kind of grass, especially when the grass around here is wet. Even this twig's a little bit wet too, no problem. You see how that fire starter is still mainly burning, getting the smaller twigs on fire. quite a bit of smoke because all this wood is quite wet, but it's not a problem for this fire starter. It's just going to dry it out and everything going to get on fire. I don't know if you can see, but there is still a little bit of flame going. You can even hear it sizzle in the water out of the moist wood. Alright, we got it going.